I'd taken a year off and decided to go travelling around the world with my partner. And 4 months into it, we were in Australia, and I went for a swim in the sea. And as I turned round to come out, a rogue wave hit me and broke my tibia, top of my leg, and took out a 5mm gash. I had to have a metal plate and screws put in, so our year of travelling was brought to a very abrupt halt. I couldn't put any weight on my right leg for 6 to 8 weeks. So with all that weight being transferred onto my left leg, my knee, my left knee started to really hurt, and so I was on crutches for at least 3 months, still trying to get my strength back. I was in a very difficult position. I couldn't walk up and down stairs properly. I was in a lot of pain, so it all needed to be fixed as quickly as possible. I wanted to get my life back in some sort of order. I'm only 54, but it was time to get the knee taken out and replaced. So on the 23rd of January this year, I was operated on, and I had the most amazing time in a hospital that I've ever wished to be in, and I was looked after so well by everybody. I had an amazing surgeon. I have an amazing Conformis knee, which is very bespoke to my leg, which I've spoken to people who have had knee replacements on the NHS, and they've not been as happy with the outcome as I have. And I'm able to do things which I didn't think I would be able to do at such a short period of time after my surgery. Prior to surgery, I was thinking it would be a year before I was able to be walking about, and lo and behold, here I am. So I'm very grateful to Ian for doing a grand job. I'm grateful to Conformis Knee that's been made specially for me, and to my fantastic physiotherapist. This summer, this is just last month, I was able to go and walk around in Seville. We were there on holiday for 2 weeks, and I was able to climb these stairs without the aid of a rail or a stick. So very happy.